How to update Zelle app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Zelle and select the official app published by Early Warning Services LLC. Next, check if you see the update button. If an update is available, tap on it and wait for the process to complete. The update may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, the latest version of Zelle will be installed on your device automatically. If you don't see the update button and only see open, that means you already have the latest version of the Zelle app installed. Another way to make sure your Zelle app stays updated is by turning on automatic updates. Go to the Play Store settings, select Network Preferences and enable Auto Update Apps. This will keep Zelle and your other apps up to date without needing to do it manually. Now you know how to update Zelle app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.